Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily create Google Play account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Play application on your device. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the drop down menu and choose the option of add another account. Choose Google option there. After that, after checking the info and verifying your identification through any password or pattern, you will be heading toward the login page. Now, if you already have an account, you can enter your mobile number or email. But as we are here to create a new account, simply click on Create Account option. Choose any one of the options, either personal or business use. Provide your first name and surname. After you have entered this field, go to Next option. Provide your date of birth and gender. After that, you have entered these details, click on Next. Choose any one of the option. If you want to create your own Gmail address, click on Create Your Own. After that, once you create your password, you will click on Next and then you will be logged in with your new Google Play account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.